This is Ibis twin in Portsmouth. You can see quite a big TV, 2 twin beds. We've got a little table. You can see. And then we've got night lights. Figure out how they work. That's it. So we've got actually keycard. Keycard needs to go in the key thing so the lights can go on. So take that off. Sounds quite noisy actually. We've got a full length mirror. Also, there is a light at the side of the bed which lights up the mirror there, and the lamp of the desk. As you can see, the plug socket, and we have a stool. Plenty of space under the beds. And we've got wardrobe with 5 coat hangers there. Plenty of room for a few suitcases. Tea, coffee. Can use this to charge devices. It's what, 4 plugs and 2 USB. And then of course advertisement for the Ibis breakfast. That's the view and the windows. Oh, can you have it? Opens up nicely. Got a little radiator. This is the bathroom. Just trying to figure out what this is for. That socket there is for a mirror. So, oh look, little porthole. How amazing is that? Great for Portsmouth. Because of course it's a naval town. But yeah. Nice clean toilet. Floor looks clean. Towels. And of course the floor towel for stop you slipping as you come out of the shower. And we've got body wash and conditioning shampoo. We've got there. Lovely sink. Don't know what this is. Like that. Or maybe some to drink water out of, maybe, I don't know. Toilet roll and place to hang your towels or dressing gown or clothes, I don't know. But lovely standard size. But yeah. So this is actually, I'll just quickly show you the TV. As you can see, quite a good size, and got some remote. Switch TV on, and of course we've got the menu for a core. So select the home button to browse TV options, and of course you can connect to your device. This is the door activation, and this is a do not disturb or come in. As you can see, quite humorous. Absolutely brilliant. But yeah, as you have it.